Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at these bubble bath bombs from Two Sisters. This is Mare Product Reviews. During COVID-19, while we're social distancing, it can be a really challenging time for the entire family, especially for kids. And so we feel like it's really important to give our kids something fun to look forward to every day. And so these bath bombs were something fun and unique and a perfect surprise for the kids. Right away when you open up the box, you can see that there's 6 bubble bath bombs and they smell so amazing. Each one has their own unique scent and they just smell so good.
A fun kid surprise in everyone.
Bubble bombs.
Kid surprise set. 6 bubble bath bombs with toy surprises inside.
Open it up. Take a whiff. What does it smell like?
Which one do you want first,
Do we
Bubba?
both get 3?
You just got one. There's a surprise in every one, so you pick the color you want.
I'm gonna pick blue.
You want blue?
What does it smell like?
This one. This one.
Alright.
This one smells
Now
good.
you
I
get to go
don't
take
know
baths.
purple.
Which we desperately need.
It's Fruit Loops.
Smell it.
Mom, it's berry.
Smell it.
Mom.
We've also been staying sane by playing outside, going on walks, jumping on the trampoline, and these kids need baths. So it definitely did me a favor to make the kids excited to take a bath. And the second that we opened these, they were ready. We started out with the blue berry.
Okay. Whoa.
Wow. I want to go in.
Look at those bubbles.
When you hold the bomb underneath the water, it creates the most bubbles. And you can see here at the bottom of the bath bomb, there's a little ball, and inside each one is a unique little toy. And check out the vibrant color of this bath water.
It's like pink. Whoa.
Smells pretty good, Bubble Butt.
I want to find my surprise. Oh, it's still fishing. It's right there. Can I get in?
I believe this one was the fruit punch. Lots of bubbles, fun bath colors, and inside, a little prize. This one was a little ninja.
Oh! Oh my jeez! That's fast.
It's purple and
It's gone already. Like half of it is gone already. What?
lots of color comes off of these.
Moms, I know what you're thinking here. Do these things stain my bathtub? And I'm pleased to tell you that while the color is so bright and vibrant, it does not stain at all. It just goes down the tub. Once or twice we had a bath where there's a little bit of standing water that sat there and you could see that color on the bathtub, but as soon as you turn on the water, it rinses right out.
It smells amazing.
What is this one?
Banana.
I don't smell banana yet.
But it looks like pea.
Sure does.
Who's gonna want to bathe in this?
You.
Yeah, sure. It's gonna be cool.
All right, this is green Fruit Loops.
Whoa! I got green fizz on my hand. Whoa! Whoa! It's so clean. There's my basketball.
the green Fruit Loop one has to be my favorite smell, and my daughter really loved it because she felt like she was bathing in slime. We seriously had such a fun week with these bath bombs. My kids looked forward to taking a bath, they were excited to take a bath again, and there's 6 in a box, so each of my kids were able to use 2 of these bath bombs, and they really looked forward to it and were so anxious to see what toy they were going to get inside. Plus, the bath water was fun, it smelled amazing, and if you hold these, especially when you hold them directly underneath the water, it creates a lot of bubbles. You can find these bubble bombs on Amazon, and as usual, I'll have the product link in my write-up below. Thank you, Two Sisters, for giving us something fun to look forward to. Thanks so much for watching here at Mere Product Reviews, and I hope that you found this review to be helpful. Check out my channel for more product reviews just like this one.